So this is about sound. Now, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. Like other energy, sound is also a form of energy. And how is sound produced? So, sound is produced by vibration. When a body vibrates, it produces sound. So, the chapter sound is about the production of sound and the transmission of sound. The chapter sound of standard 9 is about how the sound is produced and how the sound is transmitted. Now, what is vibration? So, vibration simply means a kind of to and fro motion of an object. So, the sound a human being produced is due to the vibration of the vocal cord. So, where do you have a vocal cord? This is the vocal box, and there is a cord like thread like structure, and that is known as the vocal cord. So, when that vibrates, sound is produced. Now, this is about how the sound is produced. Now, how is the sound propagate? How sound propagates? So the sound propagates through a medium. So that medium be air, water, or any solid. Sound moves through a medium from the point of generation to the listener. I am speaking, you are listening. So I myself is a sound generator, and this sound is reaching to you, so you are a listener. When an object vibrates, it sets the particle of the medium around it vibrating. It sets the particle of a medium around it, and that particles also starts vibrating because the energy is given to them by the previous particle. The particles do not travel all the way from vibrating object to the ear. A particle of the medium in contact with the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. It then exerts a force on the adjacent particles, as a result of which the adjacent particle gets displaced from its position of rest. After displacing the adjacent particle, the first particle comes back to its original position. This produces continuously. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches our ear. The disturbance created by the source of the sound in the medium travels through the medium and not the particles of the medium. A wave is a disturbance that moves through a medium when the particles of the medium sets the neighboring particles into motion. They in turn produce similar motion in others. The particles of medium do not move forward themselves, but the disturbance is carried forward. So, this is what happens during propagation of sound in a medium. Hence, sound can be transmitted or visualized as a wave. Sound waves are characterized by the motion of the particle in the medium and are called mechanical waves.